Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And yes, welcome back to another fun day, Sunday watch face review. Today is a good day in my neighborhood once again. I had a great weekend. I hope you guys did too. Now remember the Monday grind is right around the corner, so make sure you tidy up everything. Get your rest on so you're prepared for the work week. With that being said, let's get started with this review. All right, you all, let's dive off into this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Arcade Digital 200. It is a 24-hour watch face. Now, this watch face is geared toward fitness and it's also geared toward everyday wear. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as your digital time is concerned. You will be able to see it at a glance with no problem with this nice black background. Once the watch face is on, I do like the look. I do like the split design of this watch face. And yes, it's built toward casual wear. Now, if you take a look at the detail to the left, right, you get kind of an analog theme to it with the index that's showing up on half of the watch face, and also you're going to get your month on that half, going to get your date, you're going to get the day of the week. On the right, remember I told you this one is geared toward fitness, so you're going to get info on floors climbed, calories burned, miles walked or ran. Right up under the digital time, you will get your battery info, steps, and also your heart rate. So all in all, this is definitely a good look for a super casual dress down watch face for the work week. Now, I told you that the watch is customizable, so if you want to change the color theme, just single tap and you can change it to many different colors to blend into whatever outfit you may have on for the day, or just simply pick your favorite color. I thought this was a nice blend. Now the video isn't going to do it justice. You got to check out this watch face in person. I'm going to say yes, it is worth a download. And if I touch on the digital time on the hour, I can customize that color theme as well, which I thought was pretty cool. Let's turn this to white. This is nice. This is nice. The developer definitely did a great job on this one. I say check it out in the Gear Manager store. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.